So this is how I'm able to make profits consistently when trading boom and crash. A lot of you guys are always asking me, how do I find those sniper entries, be it when trading spikes or trading against spikes? I use this latest automated indicator that I'm about to show you, which does all the analysis for me. That is, it tells me regions of high sell momentum or regions of high bullish momentum, so that I'll be able to get into entries that are most likely going to happen. That is high probability trades, right? And it also then gives me an exact price entry point, which means that I know exactly when to enter, besides knowing the general trend from the indicator. And all of that is done by the indicator. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can follow it and use it as well. Sorry to interrupt you. I just want to pick a winner from the comment section in the previous video, the winner for the indicator. And this time's winner is going to be, let me show you guys the account. Okay. This time's winner is this account. So congratulations. You have won yourself the indicator. And to win, all you have to do is to like this video and comment down below. So congratulations to this account. I'm sure on these two comments, you've been very interactive and engaging on the videos. So you've won. Okay, so let's get back to the video. Okay, so right now I've opened up my charts and we are currently looking at boom 1000 and we're in the 5-minute time frame. And very soon I'm going to explain to you the importance of time frame. But for now, I want us to understand what we are looking at on the screen and what we are getting from the actual indicator itself. So you see we have with these blue zones and yellow zones that we have on the screen. They are coming from the indicator that we've installed, and then we are followed by these price entry points, like this buy entry or buy entry at this price level, or these sell entries and sell entries at different price levels. So basically, this shows you that the indicator is fully installed now, and we just need to be able to interpret what we are actually seeing. So this is how I like to trade with this indicator. There's so many ways in which you can use it. There's so many ways to trade it, and I'll try and explain all those ways right here on this channel. So make sure that you're subscribed and you've turned on your notification bell. But right now, I'm going to show you one of the ways to trade this indicator in the 5-minute time frame. So right now, we're just concentrating on the 5-minute time frame, and we want to be able to catch spikes and ticks as well. So we're trading both ways, whether it's on boom or it's on crash. We want to be able to trade both ways and capitalize on both ways. Okay, so if you are in the 5-minute time frame like this, you're going to be looking for the following trades. You are going to be looking for when price reaches this blue zone or a yellow zone. If your price comes down and reaches this blue zone, what you're going to do now is you're going to be now expecting bullish momentum. So the blue zone represents a region where the market has been oversold and there's likely going to be some bullish momentum, all right? But you're not going to end up the market based on that only. You want to get an entry from the indicator itself. So price can come to this blue zone and not get an entry. What we want is for you to actually get an entry from that blue zone. And as you can see here, we got a buy entry and price pushed up. After a while, we got another buy entry and price pushed up again. We got another buy entry and price pushed all the way up. And then we started to have these sell trades. Now, these sell trades are accurate, although you will be going against the trend. So already you've established that you have this bullish momentum going on because you're coming from this blue zone, right? We already mentioned it, that if price has reached this blue zone, you know that the only way that's possible is probably going up, unless if there is a break of market structure or something, right? So getting these sell entries while you have seen this bullish momentum is very risky and very tricky. But the indicator also gives you those sell entries because the market will be selling. As you can see, at this point, the market is actually selling, and it's been selling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So I have 35 minutes, right? So it is okay for the market to actually give you this entry. We're going to talk about it in the next video on how to actually use it. But for now, After coming from the blue zone, we just want you to keep looking for buy entries up until you reach the next sell zone. So when you get to a sell zone, you know that you are in a region of high sell momentum. This yellow zone is a region of high sell momentum. So all you're doing now is waiting for price to give you entries. As you can see, price go to this yellow zone, and in the next candlestick, it gave us a sell entry that's above there. Price pushed all the way down to this level, came back up to this yellow zone and gave us a sell entry, and price pushed all the way down up until it reached this blue zone. So you always want to be trading from zone to zone, be it a sell zone or a buy zone, right? And you get signals or alerts based on that zone. Okay, let's take a look at another example. This boom 900. Okay, currently we don't have any zones in blue in blue or in yellow, so it means that we're most likely late on our trade, right? So we're going to leave it and not force some trades. Okay, nice. This is boom 500. But right now you can see there's a whole analysis going on there, but we want to interpret it. What did we say? We said when price reaches this yellow zone, we want to look for sell entries. We got one, price sold, price came back to this yellow zone, didn't get any entry, but either way it sold, and it came back once again to this zone, and our indicator then gave us our sell entry, which was the entry we were supposed to take, and we took that. Can you see that if you're taking this, we'll still have that retracement. So the indicator actually waited for that and then gave us a real entry. And you can see from this yellow zone, we said you start anticipating sells, right? Which means that now you're going against spikes. In boom 1000, we were catching spikes, right? But now in boom 500, we are now going against spikes. And it means that each and every time the indicator gives you an entry, like this, you're supposed to add positions if you had missed up until price gets to our blue zone, and we know that the trend is most likely exhausted or price will continue by breaking that market structure, right? It's still possible, but based on what we are talking about, we are saying when price reaches the blue zone, we're expecting a reversal and it going back up. So you can see that if you had followed the trend first by getting the zone and then getting the entries, you'll be very comfortable to sell the hold. You can see that the price was just pushing down and down, which means you would have gotten in on this entry or this entry or this entry and still be profitable. How wonderful is that? And it keeps on adding. This is an entry that came about 10 minutes ago, just before I started this video, which means if I had missed this whole move, I can still jump in. Okay, let's take a look at boom 300. Boom 300 is giving us the same thing. We go to the sell zone and started us then giving us sell entries later on. So we would only capitalize from here. We couldn't get much of the whole move. For some reason, that's how the market is, and that's how the indicator would have interpreted the market. So we'd only get this and we missed this one. But either way, we're still getting more sell entries down the line. Let's take a look at crash and see if this indicator works. Okay, let's see if this indicator works. So we got these cells on right here, right? And this means that we're going to be catching spikes on crash 1000. And can you see each and every time from the sell zone, we started to get sell entries, sell entries, sell entries after sell entries. Right now we're getting a buy entry, but we're not at a blue zone. So we know that it's just a minor retracement before price continues down as well. Okay. This is okay, this is crash 900. Now on crash 900, this is why it is very important for you to wait for the entry if you are in the blue zone, because there can be a break of market structure, which is exactly what happened here, and price kept on selling. Okay. Oh, this is crash 600. We price go to our blue zone and we started to get these buy entries, continuous buy entries. Actually, if you are in my VIP signals group, you know that today we actually traded crash 600. We got into this buy entry and we bought all the way up. If you check in our free Telegram channel, the link is in the description box below. You'll be able to see this trade, exact trade from here all the way up that we took. All right. this whole move, and we're still getting the bullish moves because we haven't reached any significant sell zone. It's probably up there, or in a different time frame as well, or it's going to be formed a little bit later. Okay, now lastly, let's see crash 300. Okay, crash 300 is giving us some short, very small move trades, but remember, crash 300 has got a very high peak value, so the smallest of movements are actually nice. So right now we're actually early for a particular trade. You can see we reached this blue zone, and we also got this buy entry. So for those of you that say, oh, the indicator delays on giving entries, look at this entry that we have just happened recently, so it doesn't delay. So we're probably going to get this trade all the way up to this yellow zone. If you are subscribed to this channel, you might probably be able to catch this trade before it goes and see yourself in profit, because the indicator has already done the analysis for you. Price was getting to this yellow zone, and we're getting sell entries which we would have maximized on, catching some spikes right there. Can you see? Let's say you missed this first entry, price came back up this yellow zone, and then gave a sell entry, price pushed all the way down to this point, which means that anywhere along this line, you still would have made profit, right? And then we got into the blue zone, and then price delayed giving us an entry, and eventually we got this buy entry. Don't confuse this one. This one is from here. Okay, so we have got another one on top right there, which is from here, and that's the move that you could actually capitalize on. And it's happening right now, guys. As you can see, this entry is happening right now. So tell me, guys, what you think about this indicator. And remember, if you like this video, comment down below. And if you are a subscriber, you stand a chance to win a spot in the indicator. You get this indicator for free. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and I'll be picking a winner just like I did at the beginning of the video, and you'll be able to get this indicator for free. Tell me, guys, if it is worth you using it. But I know you will never miss a trade if you're trading with the best, right? Until next time.